Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Eko Farida and my team is Yanesti Nur Afianda Lestari. On this occasion, I would like to present our study about the application of Lactobacillus rhamnosus and probiotic juice as functional drink for type 2 diabetes mellitus patients. The number of people with diabetes mellitus is increasing every year. In 2019, people with DM in the world reached 463 million and is estimated to reach 578 million in 2030. The World Health Organization predicts an increase in the number of people with diabetes mellitus in Indonesia from 8.4 million in 2000 to around 21.3 million in 2030. Based on report by the International Diabetes Federation in 2013, Indonesia was ranked 7th in the world with the number of sufferers reached 10.7 million and 73.7% of diabetes mellitus sufferers in Indonesia did not realize that they had DM. The result of the basic health research show the prevalence of DM in Indonesia population is 10.9. The large case of DM in the world is type 2 diabetes mellitus. So it is necessary to find alternative ways of prevent and control. Lactic acid bacteria is one of Indonesia biodiversity and found in fermented food. Some lactic acid bacteria have the potential as probiotic that have functional benefits for the body, including lowering blood glucose and so on. Lactic acid bacteria isolate has the potential to prevent and control type 2 diabetes mellitus because it is reported to be able to inhibit the alpha-hydroxylase enzyme and has the antioxidant activity. Research in experimental animal also showed that lactic acid bacteria were able to control blood glucose, such as Lactobacillus rhamnosus and Lactobacillus casei. Fermented product containing lactic acid bacteria is also reported to be able to control blood glucose. For example, carrot juice fermented with Lactobacillus plantarum. Fruit and vegetable juice fermented with probiotic bacteria also have sensory properties that are acceptable to consumers, such as pineapple juice fermented with Lactobacillus acidophilus, lime juice fermented with Lactobacillus plantarum and Lactobacillus pentosus, orange juice fermented with Pediococcus acidilacti, and mixed juice made from orange, carrot, apple, and jujube, fermented with Streptococcus thermophilus. Lactobacillus rhamnosus has been isolated from breast milk and has the potential as probiotic. Studies on its functional properties have also been carried out, namely to prevent diarrhea, lowering cholesterol, and lowering blood glucose. This potential isolate needs to be applied to food or beverage product as functional food. Fermented products that are widely used are usually milk-based. By their consumption is limited because they cannot be consumed by lactose-intolerant sufferers and vegetarians. One alternative product that can be developed is probiotic juice. Probiotic juice is juice made from fruit and vegetable, carrot, tomatoes, and guava, then fermented with Lactobacillus rhamnosus. Carrot, tomato, and guava have a low glycemic index of 35.86, 38.38, 32.25 and are rich in antioxidant. Fruits and vegetables are also rich in vitamin and minerals that can be fermented by Lactobacillus rhamnosus, so is to increase their viability. The objective of this presentation is to obtain a probiotic juice formula mixed with carrot, tomatoes, and guava so that it could be used as functional drink for people with type 2 diabetes mellitus. The methods is conducted in 3 stages. First step is formulation of probiotic juice. The second is analysis of microbiological quality of probiotic juice. And the third is sensory analysis of probiotic juice. The result about the microbiological quality of probiotic juice. Total lactic acid bacteria probiotic juice is in various treatment and storage are presented in this table. The difference in total lactic acid bacteria was caused by differences in the adaptability of each isolate to the growth media used. The amount of lactic acid bacteria required to be consumed and has a positive effect on health. The result of the study indicate that the total lactic acid bacteria of probiotic juice meets the requirement for consumption, thus causing a positive effect on health. Here is the total acid of probiotic juice. The level of acidity in probiotic juice due to lactic acid bacteria metabolism will affect consumer acceptance of the sensory properties of the product, especially the characteristic aroma and taste of probiotic drinks. Lactic acid bacteria can grow the maximum amount depending on the nutrient content available in the growth medium. A high amount of lactic acid bacteria will cause metabolic activity to increase, so that more metabolites are produced. During the fermentation process, sugar undergoes and metabolic process into organic acid, including lactic acid. So the more lactic acid bacteria, the higher the amount of lactic acid produced. And the sensory analysis result indicate that analysts will prefer probiotic juice stored at 4 degrees for 21 days. Overall, the color, aroma, and taste of the probiotic juice were acceptable to the panelists. The interaction between dilution and storage time was found in total lactic acid bacteria, total acidity, and overall acceptance, which resulted in the best mixed probiotic juice characteristic, namely P2H4-14 treatment with a total lactic bacteria of log 10.98 colony ferment unit per milli, total of acidity 0.98%, overall acceptance score of 3.92 or like. The conclusion of the study is a dilution had a very significant effect on increasing lactic acid bacteria viability and overall acceptance of probiotic juice. Storage time has significant effect on increasing total lab and lab viability, increasing lactic acid and overall acceptance of probiotic juice. The interaction between dilution and storage time was found in total lactic acid bacteria and overall acceptance, which resulted in the best mixed probiotic juice characteristic, namely P2H14 treatment with a total lactic acid bacteria of log 10.98 colony forming unit per milliliter, total acid 0.98%, and overall acceptance score of 3.92. Thank you.